Lesson 3, Phases of Learning. Continuing on in our exploration of Collaborative 1.3, let's move on to Step 3. As you can see, this is a proficiency level lesson because it has 3 different instructions. And if we open up one, you'll notice in red, teacher preparation is needed. This means that in order for this activity to be completed, a teacher needs to prepare something ahead of time that is personal to the students within your classes. And as you can see, once you have completed the tasks listed, you'll need to erase this before moving on. Additionally, if we move to step 4, you'll see we're doing a draft. And in this, you can see that there is a posted rubric. This is another way for you to give formative feedback along with post-its or comments that you may give to a submission that students submit. If one of these assignments, a student shows learning growth, or if you think that this is an assignment that you would like to assess in a summative way, because students have been making meaningful growth toward mastery, remember that you can always, once this has been copied to your class, change an assignment by changing its category. Remember, the only assignments that will apply within your growth mastery grade are going to be those that are marked or categorized in growth assessment. Also, anything that you would like to have an easy rubric for grading, you can easily create. Let's jump back to our phases of learning and jump into comprehension and look at draft revision 2. Here you'll see we have our standards connected to our draft. However, you'll notice there is no rubric. If we'd like to create a rubric, we easily click Edit and then move down to Scale and Rubric. Currently, it's marked as Mastery-Based Grading as a grading scale. However, we could click Create New Rubric and type in whatever designation you think would be necessary. So for this, it is 3.4, and you'll notice because we've already aligned the standards as well as the success criteria, because those have been already input as a personal learning objective, you'll see that the grading scale, or you'll see that the rubric is easily applied. You can then change the grading scale to a mastery-based grading scale by clicking on the side button, and now you'll have the mastery-based grading scale descriptors.